there's some apples there, which I hope you can use. And there was no pictures of Mommy or Alex or James, I noticed. Maybe Amber will be sending some on. So that's about all I have to say just now. So hope to see you next year. And Michael will write. I've asked him to write when he gets home and let us know how he got on. To keep the mileage, let us know the mileage and the gas he used. And I'm sure you'll get there safely, and that I hope everything goes well for him. He's only a young guy, and he's got a future ahead of him. So I hope all goes well for him, and all of you. So we'll be seeing you, and goodbye. I just wanted to say goodbye to Jerry and Michael. Michael won't hear this, most probably from home. And to thank Michael, especially for all the help he gave us with the cows and the cars and fences. And it was really wonderful of you, Michael. Thank you very much. And Jerry too, and held the gate and chased cows, and he was very good. And, Michael, I think you have a great future ahead of you. I have complete confidence you will do great things. We are all rooting for you. I think you're a very handsome, strong young man. And there's no way they can keep a strong, handsome, charming